guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I made this delicious burger, then keep watching. But first, make sure you like and subscribe. So here are the ingredients. We need some finely chopped onion, garlic and ginger paste, salt, black pepper and aroma for taste. Like, we don't want no tasteless burger out here. So this is our minced beef, and we're going to also be using some egg. So first, what we're going to do is to pour all our ingredients in the minced beef. And now what we're going to do is to mash it all together. This is a very messy job, hence why I'm wearing gloves. So yeah, you just have to like mush it all in. Make sure that the minced beef is like really mushed, if that makes sense. But yeah, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to crack in our egg. The egg is to hold it together, and then we're going to mash that in as well. It's hard work, but it tastes delicious. So just keep mushing it. Just make sure that all the minced beef is nicely mushed. And if you don't have breadcrumbs, you could use flour for just to hold it together as well. So ideally you use breadcrumbs, but I didn't have breadcrumbs, so I had to use flour. So yeah, so I just kept mushing it. And then it's time for us to make our beef patty. So you just get a little bit in your hands and then just roll it into a ball. And then after you roll it into a ball, you're going to shape it into the burger. It's dead easy, guys. With the size of the burger, it's all up to you if you want a small burger or a big burger. But for me, I'm going for a full pounder. I'm not going for no McDonald's burger. So I'm doing it really, really thick. So you can do it small if you want to. So yeah, guys, our beef patties are ready to be grilled. So here it depends on how well you want it cooked. I cooked 10 minutes on each side, and then when it was cooked, I put my cheese on there just to make sure the cheese is nice and melted. And then I toasted my buns. Make sure you use these ones, guys, the sesame seed ones.
Guys.
Hi. Israel says hi, guys. So for filling, I'm going to be using coleslaw. Guys, try this if you haven't tried this before. It's so delicious. And some burger sauce, and our burger is finally done and ready to be eaten. Look at how juicy this burger looks, guys. Like, look at how juicy it looks. I'm gonna cut it for you guys to see how juicy this burger is. As I said, I went for a full pounder. This ain't no quarter pounder. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, comment down below how much you think this meal would have cost at a restaurant. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.